Alright guys, just got a call. Skid steer and the mulcher stuck up near LaGrange. About 45 minutes away, right there. Get it out. It don't look stuck too bad from the picture, so we'll see. Alright, we are back here. And it is tight by the width of a skid steer starting right here. We're going to see if we can fit in this. We might be making the trail wider. Keep y'all updated. Current situation, almost halfway probably. About halfway probably in. It's tight. I'm gonna cut this little pine out the way on the passenger door. This tire sitting in this one, front tire sitting in this pile. So we're stuck right here. Alright, winch ran out. Doubled up the winch extensions, just didn't need all of it. Hooked two shackles on each side of the skid steer. Yeah, so got the skid steer out. So when I pulled up, the guy was shaking his head like no, and said this thing ain't gonna make it back there. The talking was too wide. I was like, well, let's just see. So I walked it. It was tight. So got the Jeep back there. I was running over trees, a couple inches wide. Luckily, this thing just plowed over them, and most of the things bed line. So got it back there. Got it out. They said it probably needed a bulldozer when they called me on the phone. But, hey, don't underestimate the old YJ. Thanks for watching.